Good morning, everyone. Well, we are going to see some rain today in southern Wisconsin, but not a lot. The better chance of rain is definitely looking like tomorrow with our next cold front. But let's talk about today first, and let's talk about the morning commute first. Here we are at 8 a.m., and I think the vast majority of us are going to have a dry morning commute. But I do need to mention, if you're in Platteville, Boscoville, Viroqua, there's a small chance that you might encounter a shower on your way to work, but everybody else staying dry. And let's track how this rain is going to slowly move to the east throughout the day. Again, it's not going to be a widespread area rain, but let's call it the chance for a few showers. The chance for a few showers beginning for places like Baraboo, Dodgeville in the late morning around 11 a.m. or so. I still think it's going to be dry in Madison, Portage at this point, and definitely areas to the east. For Madison, Portage, Janesville, we'll begin the rain chance in the early afternoon, but notice it's more likely at 2 o'clock that it's going to be dry in Madison. But I do want to mention the chance beginning around 2 o'clock or so in the Madison area. And notice once the rain chance begins, the chance for a few showers is still going to be there. Notice how there's still some green showing up in the western part of the area. Temperature's going to be very similar to what we saw yesterday, above normal for this time of year, topping out in the low 70s in most spots. We are going to see a little bit more wind, but not much. But I do think we'll see some gusts around 15 miles per hour this afternoon. Homebound commute, 5 o'clock this afternoon. I still think it's going to be dry in Milwaukee. We're seeing Kenosha. Maybe starting to see a few showers pop up around the Lake Geneva area. And there's an opportunity, again, anywhere west of Lake Geneva as well for a few showers. But more likely it's going to be a dry homebound commute. Finally, in the evening hours, we'll see the chance for a few showers begin around Racine, Kenosha, Milwaukee. And yeah, the chance for a few showers is going to continue through the overnight hours, but not much to show. So let's just skip a whole bunch of time here, all the way to the Thursday morning commute, and the story is the same. There could be a stray shower here or there, but I think most of us are going to have a dry Thursday morning commute. All right, let's get to the exciting part of the forecast, and that's the cold front that's going to be pushing in. By the way, look at Thursday morning. Temperatures above normal here as well. 8 a.m., largely in the low to mid 50s. The thing is, some of us are not going to be warming up very much because of the timing of this front. Here we are at 10 a.m. and it's going to start pushing into the area. And I do think that along this front, we're going to see scattered showers and, yes, the possibility of some thunderstorms. I do think there could be some heavy rain and lightning in spots. Not worried about any severe storms, but the chance for thunderstorms, yes, that is a possibility with this front. So 10 a.m., it's starting to push into the northwestern part of the area. At 1 o'clock, it's right in the heart of the area. So this means based on this timing, there's a good chance we're only going to top out in the low 60s in the Madison area. And yes, it's possible for places like Baraboo and Portage, only topping out in the upper 50s. But notice to the south and east, we'll be able to warm a little bit more before the cold front moves in, because it still won't be in the Racine Kenosha area, though we will be seeing the rain starting to fill in around Racine Kenosha. 1 o'clock cold front, not just yet. So probably getting into the upper 60s there. Now, along this front, the winds are going to be picking up. It is going to be a breezy day on Thursday with gusts around 25 miles per hour. By 4 o'clock, we'll see that front clear in Kenosha area, and look how those temperatures drop. But this is going to be a situation where there's also going to be rain behind the front. That's why you're still seeing that little line of rain around Madison. That's not the front. It's already clear of us, but there's going to be rain continuing behind the front as well. Not as much as along the front, and the chance for storms going away, but still a chance for showers getting into the late afternoon. And yes, the evening hours. Now, I think by 7 o'clock Thursday evening, the rain chance could be over with for a lot of us, but especially the southeastern part of the area, particularly around Racine, Kenosha, the chance lingering. And look at temperatures 7 o'clock Thursday evening. And look at the cloud cover starting to break up as well. So we're going to be sitting mainly in the low to mid 50s. But as that cloud cover continues to break up Thursday night, I think ultimately we're going to see temperatures drop into the upper 30s in a lot of locations. And then highs on Friday, probably only in the low 50s.